Hello everybody, today we are answering the question, when should I get a bookkeeper? Now in my line of business, I get this question every single day from people just starting their businesses to people who've been trading for a couple of years. They're always asking me, when is the right time? What do I need to look for to know when I need to get a bookkeeper? So we're going to answer that question for you. My name is Kia and I'm from Cara Bookkeeping Specialists. We provide outsourced bookkeeping services to business owners and accountants, enabling you to save time, increase your profits and grow your business. So let's get straight to the answers. If you just started your business, you've had your business idea and you're writing a business plan, at the end of the business plan comes a section called the financial analysis. And that involves all sorts of financial reports, such as a cash flow forecast, a budgeting spreadsheet, a profit margin analysis, and other things as well, such as a revenue forecast, profit and loss, balance sheets, job costings, different type of financial tools like that. If you don't have the confidence or the financial literacy skills to produce these for yourself, then get a bookkeeper to do it for you. Why? Because throughout your business plan, you'll come across sections such as the risk analysis and ANSOF matrix, implementation strategy, a business growth strategy, a marketing strategy, etc., all of which involve some element of cost, including your product and service production rates as well. And you want to make sure that your financial tools represent that cost realistically and accurately. Also, if you're going to be providing your business plan to investors or banks or shareholders, for example, and you want to gain some financial benefit from it, then your financial analysis tools need to be accurate, realistic, realizable. Okay, so if you're not confident on doing it yourself, get a professional to do it for you. If you want spreadsheets, if you want some examples of the spreadsheets, I do have those available. So if you want them, drop a comment for me in the box and I will get some spreadsheets sent over to you as soon as possible. Secondly, if you're now past the startup stage of your business and you've been trading for about 1 to 3 years and any one of the following things happens to you. So if you find yourself spending more than 4 hours per month on your bookkeeping tasks, get a bookkeeper to do it for you. Why? Because you're costing yourself in two ways. You're costing yourself in time. Those 4 hours would be better spent bringing income into your business in terms of business growth strategy activities and marketing activities, rather than costing your business through you taking the time to do those bookkeeping tasks. The second way you're costing yourself is that you're likely not taking advantage of all of the potential tax savings that will be available to you and your industry. A qualified bookkeeper will more likely be aware of those and be able to advise you on those appropriately. So now you're in the trading stages and you've got a lot more transactions going through your business on a day-to-day basis than what you had in your startup stages, it's your legal requirement to have an appropriate bookkeeping system in place. As a business owner, you are obligated to do that. If you don't have a bookkeeping system or processes and procedures in place, then get the help of a bookkeeper. They can either implement them for you and send you on your way to just manage that yourself, or they can literally take that task off your hands, which I would advise. If you've already had a bookkeeping system in place, but now you're like, maybe you were just dealing with paper and Excel spreadsheets, but now you want to actually bring in an accounting software such as QuickBooks or Xero, go through a bookkeeper to get that. If you go directly to the accounting software provider, it's likely going to cost you a premium. Secondly, bookkeepers and accountants across the country, 99% of us have affiliate links with one or more accounting software providers, which means we can pass that software onto you at a much cheaper cost, and you don't have to have it linked to the bookkeeper. It can be exclusively yours. So there's a benefit in that. Or you could just go directly through the bookkeeping company. For example, we provide QuickBooks software to our clients completely free of charge. The other thing to be careful of if you are going to use the software is that if you're not familiar with double entry bookkeeping, which I'm going to explain in another video, or you're not familiar with the tax calculations used within that software, errors can be made and they're harder to fix in an accounting software than if you was just using a paper-based bookkeeping system or Excel, for example. And submissions are becoming more automated through accounting softwares, so you could accidentally submit an incorrect tax submission, which could later cause you penalties and fines, etc. So be really, really careful with those and get the help of a bookkeeper if you're looking to bring in an accounting software. And last but not least, when it comes to growing your team, now hopefully you've seen this diagram before, and right now we're in this section here, which is self-employed. We're trying to get into this section, the business owner section. The self-employed quadrant means that time equals money, which means that you are spending your time on the day-to-day activities of your business, and that's bringing the income into your business. But where you want to be is in the business owner section, which is people equals money. And that means that you've got staff, employees, or freelancers working for you on the day-to-day activities of your business to bring that income in. If that's the transition that you're looking to make, then you want the help of a bookkeeper. One of the things you should be doing from the start of your business until now, when you're growing your team, is making sure that you're paying yourself first. There's several ways to do that. You could do it through the PAYE scheme, which is getting paid as like through a salary, dividends or profit share. And there's different tax rates and different tax bands applicable to each type of income that you choose to receive from your business. So getting a bookkeeper to help you with that is going to make sure that you're using the most profitable combination of income streams to benefit you tax-wise. Or when you're looking to expand your team, you now started taking on staff and you want to introduce payroll, 100% I recommend getting a professional to do that for you. I do not advise any business owner to do payroll themselves. It is time consuming, it is highly complex area of finances, and it is so easy to get wrong. You need to be aware of national insurance contributions, pension contributions, all the applicable taxes, etc. And then also there are some, again, grants and bursaries and benefits you can get for hiring staff members that you may not be aware of, but also require some complex calculations. Furthermore, payroll software is incredibly expensive. So it is far more beneficial for you to engage the services of a professional bookkeeper who will just do that for you. I promise you it's going to save your life. So let's recap that very quickly. When should I take on a bookkeeper? If you have to produce financial analysis reports and you're not confident to do so, get the help of a bookkeeper. If you don't have good bookkeeping processes in place in your business, get a professional to help you with that. That is a legal requirement. And if you're growing your business, you need a strong support network around you. Make sure you hire yourself a good bookkeeper. And now, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please leave me a comment below. And if you'd like to get in touch, please feel free to do so. Thank you so much.